BalanceWare, next-generation trial balance software, designed for the pressures of a demanding tax season. Hello, and welcome to another BalanceWare 3-minute video. Recently, we had a request for reclassifying entries. We listened, and today's video is about our new account consolidations dashboard. We understand, reclassifying entries are a classic accounting function, but here at BalanceWare we try to kick it up a notch. Why make reclassifying entries year after year, when account consolidations can be done one time, using BalanceWare's Consolidations dashboard? Let's get started by opening the Account Consolidations dashboard, found on the Client tab. Our client's chart of accounts is displayed on the left side of the dashboard. I see a possible scenario for consolidation, right away. Let's consolidate cash in bank and savings. Cash in bank will be the consolidating account, while savings will be consolidated. Under normal circumstances, I wouldn't schedule this consolidation, but today, I am. For demo purposes. Let's move down the chart, into operating expenses. Personalized accounts are a fairly typical scenario on a client's trial balance. In this case, our client was tracking an employee's gasoline expense. Not a problem. We will consolidate Greg's gas account with the auto and truck account. In this case, we definitely do not want to schedule these items. Lastly, let's consolidate the tax expense accounts, recaption the consolidation account, and include it in the financials. Before we view the financial statements, I'll move up the chart of accounts. Notice, the consolidation accounts are tagged with an asterisk, and if I select one of the consolidation accounts, the assigned accounts are also selected. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the financial statements. First, on the balance sheet, we'll check the cash account. Next, on the income statement we'll check the auto and truck line. And the taxes line. A cash flow dashboard option is set to include the cash flow report with the financial statements, and the financial statement schedules, which we have flagged for printing, are on the following pages. And just to confirm, account consolidations are preserved during the year-end closing process. In summary, BalanceWare's answer to reclassifying entries will save time while providing the ability to convert your client's trial balance into a professionally prepared set of financial statements. We hope you find our 3-minute videos informative. Visit us on the web for the latest developments. Why not download our 30-day free trial? And please, let us know what you think. We value your feedback. Till next time, this is Tex Tilson for BalanceWare. Powerful tools to help you manage engagements.